predictive maintenance is when you have products that you sell to your customers that need to be maintained or serviced, repaired, parts need to be exchanged, you may need an oil change or filter exchange, other things, repairs really when something's broken. And predictive maintenance is basically leveraging data from IoT-enabled products because you need information about the usage, the conditions, kind of temperature, how many hours of operation, whether it's a printer or a machine, what's the output. You can have certain sensors that measure the temperature when it reaches a certain level. There's going to be an alert as well. And then combine it with machine learning to basically predict when the machine is going to fail, when the part's going to break, when the oil needs to be exchanged before the entire engine breaks down, and basically do this ahead of time so you can schedule your field service technicians to go out and replace the part, perform the maintenance, do whatever needs to be done before the machine or the equipment breaks down or the product stops working, which definitely improves the customer satisfaction because they don't have to deal with the repair and an engine breakdown. It also reduces overall downtime of equipment. Think about if you're selling machinery and equipment in B2B context, for example. That's really important that these machines operate all the time because more downtime means loss of revenue for your customers and also lower cost of service because typically if you fix something before it breaks, the cost of fixing it are typically lower because there's no additional damage. You also can plan much better and also reduce the cost of service operation.